Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be discussing Conduit AI, which is the best AI for GPT-like answers for your businesses. So before we dive in, you can head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards on this platform. So make sure to give it a try and do not miss out on that one. Okay, so this platform is basically for your business if you want to get generate a chatbot or create AI based or GPT based answers. So this is really helpful for your business. Like for example, if you want to integrate your data sources, display the results on a dashboard that updates automatically with latest information and analyze your data with AI. So it have the features on its dashboard, and all these are available with their screenshots as well, so you can have a better idea. It also have SaaS developers related feature as well, customer support, social media, and you name it. So a lot of options are here for you to use. Now you can import your own files in here as well using the feature on the left side of your screen. So if you want to upload your own data, you can do that. So it will be analyzing that related to your business. If you want to create a custom dashboard, click on this dashboard option and add a widget. So you can see you have your table view, you have your scorecard and time series chart. So all of these are used to create a statistical and a pictorial representation of your business that you can use. Now an important thing is the Copilot, which is basically GPT powered chat based system for your business, and you can also create a chat using this. So you can see it has now created and you can ask it and it is going to be answering you related to any field. So I'm going to be entering a prompt which says create a table, create a row for impressions, metric, and all that stuff, and it is basically processing. Just give it a couple of seconds and it will be resulting with a nice response. So really nice. In the templates section on the left, so you can see you can create your funnel, warm leads generator funnel, and all of these different features. I'm not going to be going in depth about each one because it is going to be making the video very long. So in general, you have everything for your representation of your business, chart, pie chart, you can see, and a lot of good stuff in here. Make sure to give it a try. And yeah, so make sure to head over to the link in the description to get your extended free trails, and as well you can get exclusive benefits and rewards on this platform. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.